Hello students, let's start some new topics, highest common factor and lowest common multiple from chapter number 3, playing with numbers. First one is highest common factor. In the previous presentation, we have learnt about the factors and multiples of a given number. In this presentation, we shall learn how to find the largest factor that is common to them. This is known as the highest common factor or HCF. It is also known as the greatest common divisor or GCD. For example, consider the numbers 12 and 16. You know the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Clearly here 4 is the highest of these common factors. Therefore HCF, that is highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. The HCF can be found by prime factorization method also. We will find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 by prime factorization method. First of all, we have to find the prime factors of 20, 28 and 36. For 20, first check whether 20 is divisible by any least prime number, that is 2, because 20 is even number. There is 0 at its ones place, therefore 20 is divisible by 2. If we divide 20 by 2, the quotient will be 10. So, write the quotient below the 20 in next row. 10 is also divisible by 2. If we divide 10 by 2, the quotient will be 5. So, write 5 below the 10 in the next row, and 5 is divisible by 5 only as it is prime number. Therefore, 5 ones are 5. Similarly, the prime factors of 28 are 2, 2 and 7, and prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Thus, prime factors of 20 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 28 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. And prime factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here the common factor is 2. The common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is 2, which is occurring twice, which is common. Thus HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. HCF is equals to 4. Next is lowest common multiple. You know what is multiple? Multiple is obtained by multiplying that number by a natural number. A number therefore has infinitely many multiples. Two or more numbers, however, have some multiples that are common, and the smallest common multiple is called the lowest common multiple or LCM. For example, take two numbers 12 and 18, and the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and so on. Multiples of 12 are multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and 108. Here you can see that 36 common multiples of 36 here the common multiples of are 36, 72 and 108. Clearly 36 is the smallest or lowest among common multiples. Therefore LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. There is another method to find LCM of the numbers, that is prime factorization method. Consider numbers 40, 48 and 45. First we write the prime factorization of each number. First number is 40. You know that 40 is an even number as there is 0 at its ones place. So it is divisible by 2. Divide 40 by 2. The quotient will be 20. Again 20 is divisible by 2 and the quotient is 10. 10 is also divisible by 2 and the quotient is 5. 5 is divisible by 5. So the prime factors of 40 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Similarly, the prime factors of 48 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the prime factors of 45 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now to find the LCM, first the prime factor 2 appears maximum number of 4 times in the prime factorization of 48. Clearly you can see here in the prime factorization of 48 2 occurs 4 times. Therefore write it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. Again the prime factor 3 occurs maximum number of 2 times in the prime factorization of 45. Therefore write 3 multiplied by 3 next to that, and again 5, the prime factor 5 appears one time in the prime factorization of 40 and 45. So we will take it only once. Therefore required LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, 3 multiplied by 3 that is 2 times, and multiplied by 5. The multiply of 2 4 times, that will be 16. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 and multiplied by 5. The multiplication of 16 and 9 and 5 will be 720. So the LCM of 40, 48 and 45 is 720. LCM can also be found in the following way. Let's find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Write the numbers in a row as given here: 20, 25 and 30. Divide by the least prime number which divides at least one of the given numbers. Here it is 2. 2 is a least prime number, and here 20 and 30 can be divisible by 2. So write 2 at the left hand side. If we divide 20 by 2, the answer or the quotient will be 10. The numbers like 25 are not divisible by 2. So they are written as such in the next row. And as 30 is divisible by 2, and the quotient which is written in the next row below 30. Again we divide by 2. If we divide 10 by 2, the answer is 5. Again 25 is not divisible by 2. 15 is also not divisible by 2. So they are written as such in the next row. Here 15, the number 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. The quotient is written below the 15 in the next row. Now the number in the next rows are 5, 25 and 5. So all these numbers are divisible by 5. If we divide these numbers, the quotient are 1, 5 and 5, which I have written in the next row. Again 5 is divisible by 5. Therefore the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. These are the prime numbers which are the dividend, and which we have written them to the left hand side. So the multiplication of these numbers is 300. Therefore the LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 300. Thank you.